Here's another video open house of a Bryan floor plan by Windsor Homes. To your right, immediately when you walk in, is some flex space. You can use this for an office. Down the hall are two bedrooms, one to your right and one to your left. In between the two bedrooms, you will find a full bath. Notice the granite countertop and the tile backsplash. Follow me to the living room. You will find a gorgeous open floor plan, granite countertop, kitchen island with a gas stovetop and a double oven. Around the corner, there's extra space for a coffee bar and a butler's pantry. The utility room is a large size, which includes a sink. Finishing touches throughout the house is the wood-like tile. To your right, a formal dining area. And in the back of the house, there is a second full bathroom, which is conveniently located next to the final and third guest bedroom. The split floor plan allows you to go across the house and you will find the master bedroom. We're walking across 2,700 square feet of living. This is the master bedroom with an ensuite bath. The bathroom has dual sinks, a garden tub, a separate shower, as well as a walk-in closet. Marble backsplash. Plenty of room for storage in the closet. The outside of the house is brick and stone. You can customize most of the items in the house. There is a spec home that is this floor plan that is being built in Mansfield. It should be ready in December. If you are interested, give me a call, 817-733-7972. The list price for this home in Mansfield, Texas, is $594,990. Give me a call and we'll see what we can do. We'll work together. This is Melanie MacDonald signing off.